Starting in good posture, feet hip width, knees relaxed, hips in line, shoulders back and down. Imagine that string from the crown to the sky, chin parallel to the ground. One hand on the chest, one just below the ribs. Breathing in and out through the nose, aiming that in-breath to the lower hand. Now bring the arms up. Inhale, lift high with the left. Exhale, right. Inhale, left. Exhale, right. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. And take hold of the left wrist with the right hand. So inhale and exhale to the side. Coming back to the middle, swapping the hands over. Inhale, exhale the other side. Come back to center. Inhale, exhale over and center. Inhale and exhale. Back to center. So one more each side. Inhale, exhale over, back to the middle. Inhale and exhale. Back to center. Bring the arms down and we'll roll the shoulders back. And forwards. Hands on the shoulders, circle the elbows. And the other way. And full arm circles. So try and breathe in as you bring the arms up. Exhale, take them back. And the other way. Inhale up. Exhale down. And then left arm forward, right arm back. Right forward, left back. And bend the left elbow, take the right hand to that elbow. And swing the arms. And the other side. And swing in the arms. And take the left arm up, right one behind. Try and bring the fingers to meet and clasp the hands if you can, or wherever you get to. Now swing the arms, take the right one up, left one behind. Make a big circle with the arms out in front and drop the head and take them behind, interlace the fingers and just lift the arms. Try and keep the back straight, crown to the sky, and squeeze the left arm across the body, looking over that left shoulder and the other side. And bring the arm down. I'm going to take the legs nice and wide. I'm going to do what we call a wide sweep. So interlace the fingers, inhale up, twist, exhale down and round. Again, inhale, exhale, twist down and round the other way. So make sure this doesn't hurt the back. If it does, then just stand and wait for this one. So inhale up, twist, exhale down and round. Inhale, twist, exhale. So you might find you're getting closer to the ground, but don't force it. Inhale, twist, and exhale. Inhale, reach up, exhale down and round. We'll do one more each way. Inhale, twist, exhale. Inhale, twist, exhale. Now we'll bring the arms down. We're going to turn the left foot 90 degrees, back foot angled. I'm going to do warrior two. So look for that line from the front heel to the back arch. So keeping that front knee in line with the toes, shoulders above the hips. Bring the arms up shoulder level. And make sure we squeeze the arm muscles. And inhale, exhale, turn and look along that front arm. So we're just going to do the one each side. So if you need to come out of the pose earlier, you can do. But I'm going to try and hold for about 5 long breaths. Now try and sink a little bit deeper on each out breath. Keep the body weight center. Now we'll turn the feet around. Make sure that front knee is tracking in line with the toes. Body facing forwards. Shoulders above the hips. Arms shoulder level. Engage the arm muscles. And look along that front arm. Again, to see if you can sink a little bit further, but without straining. And you're coming back up, and we'll finish with the good posture. No, not yet. We'll do one more balance, leg balance. So bringing that left knee up. We're going to bring the knee out to the side, so crown up towards the sky. We'll inhale first, exhale to the side. Inhale, exhale sideways. Inhale, exhale, and inhale. So 2 more. Exhale to the side. Inhale, center. Exhale. Inhale. And bring that leg down. So bring that right leg up. So remember, you can always just stay in the basic balance pose, but if you feel steady, we'll make it more dynamic by moving the knee out to the side. So exhale, inhale back to center. Exhale, and inhale. 2 more. Exhale, inhale, exhale. Inhale, bring that leg down. Now we'll finish with a good posture and the breathing. Shoulders back and down. Crown up towards the sky, chin parallel. One hand on the chest and just below the ribs. Breathing in and out through the nose. Aiming the in-breath to the lower hand. And just see if you can feel the heartbeats with the upper hand. Bringing the arms down, and we're all done.